ام باش قطابيان يفيدكم من همي باش بن تندرست بن أفريكا خدي حسكت موضوعك هي أوجي organic reactions in section 3. In section 3 chapter 10 we have organic reactions. Generally we have four types of organic reactions. The first one we have substitution reaction. The definition of the substitution reaction is very important. Substitution reaction is one in which one or more atoms replace another atom or groups of atoms in molecule. That's when we have a molecule, we have a substitution, another element substituted in the molecule in the other elements. For example, we have this reaction between methane, CH4, we have replacement between Cl and hydrogen. Cl replace hydrogen and hydrogen replace the Cl. The product will be as follows: CHHCl. This compound called chloromethane, and also we have HCl. You see in this side and this side, compare this side with this side, we have Cl replaced hydrogen and the product will be this compound. This is the first one of organic compounds or organic reactions. Further products, additional compounds we have will be produced when the replacement continue. We have 4 hydrogen atoms replaced by chlorine, and the product will be as follows. Another compound we have 2 Cl replaced to 2 hydrogen atoms, and we have another compound 3 chlorine replaced 3 hydrogen atoms, and we have 4 chlorine atom replaced 4 hydrogen atoms. This compound's called as follows. This compound will be, the name will be dichloromethane, trichloromethane, and tetrachloromethane. Trichloromethane, also called chloroform, and tetrachloromethane called carbon tetrachloride. This is the products of the replacement of hydrogen by chlorine in these reactions. Okay, this is the substitution reaction. Another example we have in the substitution reaction, we will learn it now. Another reaction we have reaction between CCl4 and HF. You see here that we have additional compound can be formed by replacing the other hydrogen atoms remaining in the methane molecule. The products are dichloromethane, trichloromethane, and tetrachloromethane. Trichloromethane also is called known as chloroform, and the tetrachloromethane is also called carbon tetrachloride. CFCs are found by the further substitutions reactions between chloroalkane and HF. In this reaction, you see in this reaction we have CF replace the chlorine and chlorine replace the F. Product will be instead of Cl we have F here. And the second reaction we have also F replace Cl, Cl replace F. The product will be difluoromethane. This is CFC11. You know, we learned it, CFC12. This compound called trichlorofluoromethane, and this compound called dichlorofluoromethane. That's when the CFC compounds can be produced or prepared by the substitution reaction between CCl4 and HF in the presence of SbF5 as a catalyst. This is also this substitution reaction. Another reaction we have addition reaction. Addition reaction is important reaction also. The other reaction we have addition reaction. Addition reaction is the reaction is one in which 2 parts of a molecule are added to an unsaturated molecule. the main condition here, the compound must be unsaturated to be added other molecule to it, increasing the saturation of the molecule. That means the addition reaction increases the saturation of molecule. Why? Because we have always triple mole, maybe change it to double mole, triple compound bond, and we change it to double bond compound, and then change to single bond. That means the saturation will increase after addition of hydrogen to this compound. Addition reaction leads to increase the saturation of the molecule. That's very important note. The addition reaction increases the saturation of the reaction of the compound. Why? Because triple bond change to double bond, and double bond change to single bond. A common type of addition reaction is hydrogenation. The hydrogenation reaction is one of the main addition reactions. In hydrogenation, hydrogen atoms are added to an unsaturated molecule. We have unsaturated molecule, added hydrogen. This process called hydrogenation. That means hydrogenation equal addition of H2 to molecule, to unsaturated molecule. That means the hydrogenation is addition reaction and leads to increase the saturation of molecule. Vegetable oils, يعني زيت نباتي, are triesters of unsaturated fatty acids, long chains of carbon atoms that have many double bonds. The following equation, we have equation, we will see it now, shows just one portion of the of an oil molecule when a hydrogen gas is blown through an oil. When we added the hydrogen gas, the saturation increase of the molecule. This is the reaction. This is the reaction of addition reaction. This is the addition reaction. Here you see that we have double bond here, changed to single bond. This is addition of hydrogen. This reaction called hydrogenation. This reaction occur in vegetable oils to change it from liquid to solid. The molecules of steel consist you see here that the molecule steel consists of long chain of carbon atoms, but it contains far fewer double bonds. We have many double bonds. The conversion of these double bonds to single bond changes the vegetable or material from an oil, which is liquid, into fat, which is a solid, and change it from liquid to solid because of the addition reaction, addition of hydrogen or hydrogenation. When you see the word hydrogenated on the food product, يعني وقت تصير البودة بيني زيتي ودهني وانا نبيسي بتن hydrogenated, that's mean you know that an oil has been converted to a fat by this process. Examples of an oil and hydrogenated fats are shown in figure 10. Figure 16. This is figure 16. Figure 16 تا نيبشكي هي زيت هي دهنتي هي أنا بجني فات. همي hydrogenation سرچوية وتشد بجتا سر البوية أن سر خوديكو تشد نبيستن hydrogenated meaning added hydrogen or hydrogen added to this compound. to be more saturated. The other reaction we have condensation reaction. Condensation reaction is the reaction occur between two molecules, leads to producing a big molecule with water. Condensation reaction is one in which two molecules or parts of the molecule combine. A small molecule such as water is usually removed during the reaction. An example of the reaction between two amino acids, we have two amino acids when combined, or polymerization reaction occur, condensation reaction leads to produce dipeptide. You see here we have OH from this side and H from this side producing water molecule, and then these two small molecule combined producing dipeptide bigger than this molecule. That's mean we have two molecules combined producing a big molecule with water. We have here condensation reaction. The condensation reaction of amino acid leads to produce dipeptide, and when this reaction continuous, the product will be protein. The protein will be produced from this reaction. This is also another type of reaction called condensation reaction. That means that condensation reaction occur between two molecules, two small molecules leads to produce a big molecule. Another reaction we have elimination reaction. The elimination reaction occur when we have a molecule with single bond or double bond changed to triple bond. That means the elimination reaction leads to increased unsaturated or decreasing the saturation of molecule, opposite to the reaction of addition reaction. An elimination reaction is one in which a simple molecule such as water or ammonia is formed from adjunct carbon atoms of a larger molecule. A simple example of an elimination reaction is heating of ethanol in the presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Under these conditions, an hydrogen atom bonded to one carbon atoms and hydroxyl group bonded to another second carbon atoms removed from the ethanol molecule leads to producing water and ethene. Water and ethene molecule produced from this reaction. You see here we have ethanol removing H2O leads to producing ethene. That means the elimination reaction leads to increased unsaturation or decreasing the saturation. That means we have sometimes single bond changed to double bond. Double bond will be changed to triple bond. This reaction, opposite to addition reaction, leads to decreasing the saturation of molecule. This is also another type of elimination reaction, and another example of an elimination reaction is the hydration of sucrose with concentrated sulfuric acid shown in figure 17 above. We have here we have sucrose in this container. When we added the H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, leads to remove water from this sugar, and the product will be carbon with vapor water removed from this compound. This is also another reaction of elimination of this type of reaction called elimination reaction. That means we have four types of chemical reaction or organic reactions. We have substitution reaction, addition reaction, condensation reaction, and elimination reaction. Remember that the elimination reaction and addition reaction are opposite one to the other. Why? Because the addition reaction leads to increase the saturation of molecule, but the elimination reaction leads to decrease the saturation of molecule. We have some questions in the chapter review. We will try to solve it together. We have here some questions about organic reactions. Yes. The first reaction we have here, the first question we have, here we have some reactions about chemical or organic reactions. What type of chemical reaction would you expect to occur between 2-octene and hydrogen bromide? Octene is unsaturated molecule. When we add the HBr, the addition reaction occur. Addition reaction will occur. The addition reaction will occur. The question 31, how many molecule of chlorine Cl2 can be added to molecule of one propene or molecule of one propyne? If we have propene containing just double bond, and propyne containing triple bond, remember, alkyne. This molecule needed one Cl2 added to be saturated, and this molecule needed 2 Cl2 to be saturated. Why? Because every bond, to change it from double to single, from triple to double, needed one molecule. Therefore, here we have double bond, we will try to change it to single bond, therefore need one Cl2 molecule. But here we have triple bond, we try to change it to single bond, we need 2 Cl2 molecules. Yes. Compare substitution and addition reaction. This is a definition of both reactions we have. In a chemical reaction, 2 small molecules are joined and a water molecule is produced. What type of reaction took place? Condensation. Condensation reaction occur here. Yes. What are 2 reactions by which this reaction or this question we doesn't arrive it here, and then we will solve it. But we have this reactions, these questions about chemical reactions is very important reactions questions. You must solve it. Now we have multiple choices about chemical reactions. Question 36 here, we have the first question. The first one we have this question, which of the following reactions substitution reaction? We will try to explain which one is everyone which type of reactions. Here we have double bond changed to single bond, we have addition reaction in the first equation, and this reaction we have also CH3 changed to CH2 and Cl combined with CH2, and the hydrogen combined with Cl from Cl2 producing HCl. So we have substitution reaction. Here we have 2 molecules combined producing big molecule with water. We have condensation here. Condensation reaction. Yes. And in question 37a, this reaction is addition reaction. Why? Because we have double bond changed to single bond. We have addition reaction here. Yes. Another question we have 37b. Here we have 37b. This reaction, we see that we have single bond changed to double bond. We have elimination reaction, and we have in the C equation we have 2 molecules combined to producing big molecule with water. We have condensation reaction. Question 38, which of the following reactions is condensation reaction? We will try to explain everyone. identify every reaction. We have triple bond change to double bond. We have addition reaction here. And here we have double bond also in the ring change to single bond. Also we have addition reaction. And here we have two molecules combined, big molecule with water produced. We can say that we have condensation reaction. Another question we have here. You can see that question 39 in this chapter review. In this reaction, we have double bond changed to a single bond. That's when we have addition reaction. And here we have single bond changed to double bond. We have elimination. And here we have Cl2 changed to HCl. And here we have CH3 changed to CH2Cl. We have substitution reaction here. Other questions we have. Question 40. Question 40, we have another reactions. This reaction will be elimination reaction. Why? Because we have single bond changed to triple bond. We have elimination here. And here we have also elimination. Why? Because we have single bond changed to double bond. Also elimination reaction we have. And the other one, here we have two big molecules combined producing, or two small molecules combined producing big molecule with water. We have condensation here. And also here we have two molecules combined producing a big molecule with water. Also we have condensation reaction here. And other questions we have about these organic reactions. We have question 41 here in this chapter review. We have question 41. You see that we have here this molecule changed to this molecule. You see that Cl replaced the OH here, and OH combined with hydrogen producing water. We have here substitution reaction, and this reaction called addition reaction. Why? Because we have double bond changed to single bond, addition reaction. And here we have triple bond changed to single bond, double bond. Also we have addition reaction. And the last one, we have double bond also in the ring changed to single bond. Also we have addition reaction. يعني ذات تشبكي always ذات comparكي هردو side of reactions ذات comparكي that represent which type of reaction we have. أجر تواناكي تنشي identify كي type of reactions. Second we have also some reactions. We will try to identify the type of these reactions. Identify each of the following reactions as addition, substitution, elimination, or condensation reactions. The first one, we have two molecules combined producing a big molecule with water. We have condensation here. Condensation. And here we have double bond changed to single bond. We have addition reaction here. And here we have hydrogen atoms changed by Cl and produce Cl2 change to HCl. We have substitution reaction here. And also in this reaction we have single bond changed to double bond. We have elimination reaction. This is also the questions about types of chemical reactions. إن شاء الله خطابيت هجا وفيدك باش رديت بدن أبابين questionet في sectioni إن شاء الله درسابيت أمشين section 4 ما چه section 4 ده ما polymers ما هي درسك دي جدا عند بيجي داين تبيان but chemical reactions جالك مهمة definition جالك مهمة وقت equation الدتا شو to the identify the شو زاني elimination substitution condensation انجي بله ایک شرط چورا طب شو زانی طبعا تو دی کمپیر کی reactant with product direct to زانی باش صحکه دل خود لازنه که ان شاء الله تو دی شی بزانی کیش تایپ اوف ریاکشنه وری در سما دماهی گت ایتن در سما نه گلک دریجی بس مهم بین اف کوشنه تا دویت و گله ها جهبتن اینجا را ریویو کن و همیات چیکن و اتكتبوا ده احتمالا تسلسل سؤال نوك فيري نوك في بي دي اف منو كم دا شولي از بكابوتوان سؤال ديار كم اوت chemical reactions داتو بزاني كيش كويشنن داتو شي بچي ريفيو بكي جارك دي تبخيني دا برتا زحمت نبتن نو كازي بوتا وان كويشنا identify كم in chapter review in your text book تدي نوكا بيني خطابيت عزيز نو كازي بوا ديار كم طبعا chapter review ده our textbook بشكل فرقش في PDF او منك بتعرف كري اف PDF يا كتابة أمريكية أمريكا جبرند أدشناوي يعني طبعا بشكل فرقش في أن وكيل نفس معلومات تدا تشي في دي جيبكي وتبقى هي أو تشتت فيتو بزاني ما چند question نكت هين از بتانو identify كم أو جي question 53 54 ساكي 55 وتاهي 56 بله وتاهي 62 بله 62 also and also we have 64 64 and 67 I've questioned تيتين about chemical or organic reactions تعول طبعا همي multiple choice وهم يجي equation داينتا equate the شيء identify which type of reaction وبشتنجي the by comparing reactant with product لزاني يعني نزحمته محاولة كمان شيء كذا وسحكة وشرحها ما قلتي أكيد ده شيء هم يا بزاني بس ده reactant with product to compare كي هيفيد كنوا فيدك باش جوي درسي دي دبتن و ببينن بخير خطابي تجا هذا أنا أو كويشنا 53 54 55 56 62 64 and 67 avant question هميات ده محاولة كي solve كي